Oh. I got the hash brown, well done with cheese, jalapeno, ham, and onion. Texas cheesesteak melt, floppy bacon. Yeah, this bacon looks good. Hot.
She had like set tables.
How was she taking all the orders first?
She had like set
She
tables.
paid me. Thank you very much.
But she was taking it because he was on the phone.
This is so greasy, which I like usually, but it's like extra greasy. Water because I'm healthy. This is really good though. Egg. This bacon is fire though.
I do like it on fire.
This bacon is so good. Thank you. I keep having a cough.
You laugh,
Ain't that it? You hear that? I knew he was trying to hurt me earlier.
He's gonna end up doing it to the wrong person.
Yeah, one day he's going to try somebody.
Well, see, he always hollered. And ours just had a middle nowhere. I mean, I don't even know what sickness to do.
Thanks for trip.